over there.
We got $1 million motorhome pulling out in front of us.
River's over there.
No, that's the dry lagoon. That's the beach.
Sorry, I said river's over there. Beach
That's
is
the
over
dry
there.
lagoon.
Okay.
Or Stone Lagoon. Stone Lagoon.
I have to admit, the beach looks pretty freaking cool.
Apparently used to, this was like all lined with RVs back in the day. But they cracked down on it apparently. Like you can't do it like you used to.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Why is there a car attached to the motorhome?
It's a Gladiator.
What?
It's a Jeep Gladiator.
Okay, yeah, pretty obvious.
Says Gladiator. I wish, like, good God, I wish we got in front of it. We were doing 65, now we're doing 45.
Like, bro is moving slow as balls.
Yeah. I might have an opportunity. Yeah.
Oh, house.
It's not a house, it's like
A shack.
toilet. We had kind of a light breakfast, so we're making some ramens.
It's a dehydrated pea from the
Yeah.
barn. And guess what?
Huh. Gonna eat a dehydrated pea. Yeah, the kettle's about to whistle. We're parked at the big trees. We're just having a little pre-hike snack. We're at the top of the ridge on the ridge trail. Really? So beautiful. We're maybe like, I don't know, almost 100 foot up? 60, 70 foot up off the forest floor.
Any feet in there?
Whoa.
Imagine if a grizzly bear
It's like a little cave.
walking
Holy
out.
crap.
Imagine if a grizzly bear just comes walking out.
Goes deep. It's a hollow redwood.
Yeah.
Alright, our ramen noodle soup's ready. It's a chicken flavored ramen. Yeah, not much light penetrates to the forest floor here. Wow. That's a cool bridge. Is this Prairie Creek? I think it is Prairie Creek. So beautiful. Some serious fall vibes. You don't want to go over the bridge first? There is nobody out here. There was tons and tons of people back there at the big trees parking, but nobody wanted to go up a hill, I guess. But it's really not that bad. It's not like in Arcata Redwoods where you just go up and up and up. You could just go up endlessly. This one's like a little gentle up and down and lots of switchbacks. It's a really nice trail. Truly incredible. I wonder how far we've gone so far. I would say we've gone almost a mile. Be careful, it could be slippery. It is built out of solid redwood. Oh my goodness, I can feel it shake a little. That's so cool. Prairie Creek goes under the fallen redwood tree. Oh my goodness, that thing is so big. It's like bigger than 9 foot in diameter. Oh my gosh. We're hiking back to the car now. Or if not the car, then we're hiking to the trail near the car. And then we're going to shift and go over to the highway to the other trail and hike down it a little bit.
No, that's the car and then go to my car.
Okay, we'll just go straight to the car then. I basically want to hike out here so much. I could hike out here for days.
I got my walking.
I wish I had time to hit every trail. I wonder how many miles that would be. It'd probably be like over 100 miles. And I'm so curious about these mushrooms. Let me show you. They have this polypore sponge bottom. I wonder what they are. If it's a type of porcini or what. Very cool area.
What is that mushroom?
What is that mushroom? That's a piece of pomegranate that you just threw down and I saw you do it. You're being silly. Evelyn's talking about that. It looks like a mushroom. She tried to set me up. How's that pomegranate?
Wait.
Great. Here, let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's just like little farmer's market pomegranate. Try not to drop any. We hiked out with it. Yeah, but we're not trying to feed the birds. What we're trying to do is nourish ourselves, because we not only bought it at the farmer's market, where it's a little on the expensive side, but we also hiked out like a couple miles uphill with it and everything. So every little bit counts at this point.
Okay, are you feeling as soon as I step on? Are you recording as soon as I step on the screen? Are you recording now?
That was me and you, Jan.
Okay.
Hey, look.
That's good.
Look. He didn't stop. Wait, wait.
I can barely tell you're whistling.
Wait.
You're pretty good.
That one is much higher pitch.
It is. Wow. I feel like we're almost in like the Ewok forest from Star Wars.
The Batmobile, rock the wheel, and the Joker guide our way.
Hey. I like that.
Ta-da! Can you do this? Look, guys. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I do not keep it this one. Look, I can turn around and catch it. Turn around
Ooh.
and catch it. Turn around and catch it.
Uh-huh.
I think I can do it.
That's pretty good. You should get into, what is it? Where they like dance and like in a parade or something.
What?
Like we get on march. Yeah, the like marching band or whatever. Or be a part of the marching band. Be the people that throw the batons.
What is this? And then you catch it.
Uh-huh. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. That's pretty good.
And then the times like this, and the times like that. Oh, you bump it up with your knee and catch it. I think I can do that. Oh my
pretty
god, I
good.
just did it!
Nice.
Look.
Oh, with your knee. Nice. That's pretty good.
I did it 2 times in a row. I'm gonna get it 3 times in a row. Oh, I caught it. Oh, I caught it though.
Evelyn's climbing on this ancient redwood. Must have fell off of the hillside from up there.
Down below. What's that?
My goodness. There's a giant pit here. Oh my gosh. It's like a cave. Hollow redwood tree. Wow. Wonder how far it goes. Evelyn's really getting up high.
Yeah.
Be careful. You're pretty high up. We're almost back to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's like a little twisty slide. Evelyn's coming this way. It's the walk-through redwood tree.
Walk the through the red, the wood, the tree. Walk through.
You look tired.
Wow.
So beautiful.
It's waiting 1 million inches of rain a millisecond. It just out of the way. Looks like. Whoa! Somebody just. Look at all that. Bang! I'm dying. Look where the slob and ass. Look at Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu.
What a big root system. Back to the parking lot.
I can't wait to go to the waterfall.
Be careful. Redwood can be so slippery.
I know. I can't walk on top of it. And then I'm walking along the green. Oh my god. And I'm gonna help it.
Straight, I believe. So we just ate lunch. We had a egg salad sandwich.
Take some chocolate.
Now the kids are eating their dessert. Also had some tea, some black tea with blueberries in it. I didn't have any sugar, so I put some dried blueberries in it. Thanks for the chocolate. Also, we had some watermelon and lime juice, homemade. I had too much lime in it though. It had whole lime, peel and all, and I filtered it, but it was just so bitter. I didn't put any sugar in it. I forgot.
I'm saving the chocolate for later. I got some meat for you guys.
I feel refreshed though. Turn the air on.
Got yourself some tea.
Yep.
I got some.
I'm gonna sip the last of my coffee. It tastes really bitter. It's really good.
Got some meat.
Nice. Now I'm gonna drive to Trillium Falls.